In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video to your Google Slides. So we're going to start by creating a blank presentation, and once you're in your document, we then need to head over to a new internet tab, head over to the YouTube website. And then you just need to locate the video that you want to add to your Google slide. So for this demonstration, I'll just be adding this random video over here. And what you need to do is come over to the URL section and copy all of this address up here. Then head back over to your Google slide, click on Insert from the top navigation, select Video. Make sure you have YouTube selected and then paste in the URL that we just copied. Press the Enter key on your keyboard and then select your video from the list and press Insert. Now that you have your video in your Google slide, you can reposition this and resize this accordingly. You also have some customization options from the right-hand side, so you can choose whether to play this automatically or play on click, as well as start the video at a certain time and end it at a certain time. And then there's a couple layout options you can play around with at the bottom down here. And it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you add a YouTube video to your Google slide. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.